Are you looking forward to post videos on Thread? Then you're on the right video. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, move into your application Thread. Make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once you are logged in, simply click on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen. It will lead you to this page. Click on this gallery icon. It will open up a gallery. From here, choose any of the video that you would like to post. Let me choose this one for now. Once selected, tap on Add. The video has been uploaded here. Now you can enter any of the caption for this video. And once you're ready to post, click on Post at the bottom of the screen. You have to wait for a while for the uploading process to be completed. There you can see that the video has been uploaded. That's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.